Hi everybody, it's Naomi and this is level 4, Uptown Swing, Big Apple. That's right. So what we did is this is actually week 3 out of 4. We pushed and we made it through all of the material very sloppily. And next week is all going to be about digesting it and making it shine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to film the whole thing slowly from this angle. I don't have a partner, so we'll do our best. But this is like a sort of follow along video for everybody who is in class, so you can really get a hold of the steps. And then next week, we'll be running through it and polishing it up. And then next week's recap will also be the full thing, but it'll be the full thing to music with a partner. Don't quote me if I don't have a partner next week. Okay, from the beginning, we are messing around and getting into the Big Apple. And on the 4th 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Here's the top. 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. We go 1, 3, 5, 7, twist in, then one more hallelujah. Take it back, back, back. Step, apple jacks. Turn to the right, but I'm gonna stay like this so you can watch. 8, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, 8, a 1, 3. We're moving, but I'm not, so you can dance along. 5, 6, touch. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do this for 4, 8, spank the baby, and left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You're gonna turn into the circle, but I'm not, so you can follow along. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're looking in the circle now. 5 and 7. 1, 3, 5, and 7. 1, 3. Here's our 4th time. 8, 3, 5 to the right. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. Backing up. I'm the underbutt right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Kick left. Both of us switch. Kick. Leader switch. Now we're making the London Bridge. 5, 6, 7, and hey, hey. Oh, oh, I'm doing the followers break. 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, back it up. 1, 3, 5, cross. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5. You're done. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow, slow, a quick, quick, slow, 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 a quick, quick, 7, 8, 1. Charleston basic, around the world, around the world. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now we look around and go, oh my gosh, are we done? We mess around. You dig around. You mess around. You listen to the music on the last 8. You do the break. 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. We're doing break a leg. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, and 5, 7. And that is it.